Hi student, this is Mr. C. Ganesh. Now I am discussing about the concept CMM and its types in metrology. What does CMM represent? Means coordinate measuring machines or 3D marking and measuring systems which are being built for accurate measurement on complex jobs. Now I'll show you one simple CMM. With that I'll try to explain. Okay, now this is a simple CMM, coordinate measuring machine, which is also called as cantilever type CMM. Okay, now this CMM contains a platform over which a workpiece is being measured. Here workpiece is being measured and the workpiece can be moved linearly or rotarily, okay, or in rotary direction. Measurements are being taken with the help of sensors or probes which are being mounted on independent heads. And these sensors or probes are mainly of two types. The first one is touch trigger type and optical non-contact type video probes. Two types: touch trigger type and optical non-contact type video probes. Okay, coming to the dimensions of the job that CMM could able to handle or varies from 500 into 400 into 300 mm of small table type machine to 10,000 into 4,000 into 2,500 mm for a large gantry type system. The measurements of the machine may be obtained with the help of a vernier scale, or it can be done with the help of a digital reading, or it can also be done by a computer based system with an inbuilt inspection software. Okay, the linear accuracy of the machine is of the order of 1 micron, and this machine has been built to be insensitive to environmental effects like temperature, dust, etc. This machine layout has been provided with a scribing tool so as to provide layout dimensions on the surface of the workpiece with accuracy of better than 0.5 micron. Coming to the types of CMM, these are of mainly four types. The first one is cantilever type. Cantilever type, in this is the diagram of the cantilever type till now what we have discussed. Here probe is being attached to a vertical quill. This vertical one is said to be quill, vertical quill, and it can be moved in upwards and downwards with respect to the z direction. Okay, it should have a support, right, so as to get fixed, not fixed, so as to get attached. This one is the support, that is horizontal cantilever type arm. Horizontal cantilever type arm, over which this vertical quill can be moved in the y direction. This horizontal cantilever type arm can be moved with respect to the x direction. So in final, the probe can be moved in z direction, y direction and x direction also. Okay, now this x-axis motion is being provided by the motion of the horizontal arm relative to the work table. These machines, cantilever type machines, are very easy to load and unload but provide less rigidity compared to the other designs. Okay, now we will discuss about bridge type. In this design, the arm, this is the arm on which quill moves, this is the quill, the arm on which quill moves is supported to both ends. Earlier it got cantilever, so only one side, this side. Okay, cantilever type. Now this arm has been supported on the both ends to give more rigidity to the machine. Okay, this type of machine is comparatively more difficult to load when compared to the cantilever and unload also. But this is usually used for heavier workpieces. The third one is column type. Here the quill is being attached to a column which can be moved in upward and downward direction with respect to the z direction, and the x and y movements has been provided by the table, movements of the table. Okay, compared to the cantilever arrangement, in case of cantilever this is attached to a small arm, but here it has been attached to a big column, so it is said to be more stable or more rigid. The last one, gantry type. In case of gantry type, this is more suited for large workpieces. Okay, in this case the horizontal arm is supported on both sides but can move along the x direction. This is the horizontal arm. This is the horizontal arm is supported on both sides but can move in x direction, but can move along the x direction. This method is having better accuracy and precision. So we have discussed about all the four methods: cantilever type, bridge type, column type and gantry type. Now overall, these machines are built so as to provide reliable data without the possibility of human error. They have low uncertainty, minimal friction and vibration free movements. Thank you.